Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a signature in Mozilla Thunderbird. This is a fantastic way to add a professional touch to every email you send, whether it's for business or personal use. Let's jump right in and get this set up for you. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. First things first, you'll need to open your Thunderbird application. Once you've launched it, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. This is where you'll find the Account Settings option. Go ahead and click on it. This is your control center for managing all aspects of your email account, from server settings to how your messages appear. After clicking Account Settings, you'll see a menu with various configuration options. What you're looking for here is the section labeled Signature Text. This is where the magic happens. Click on it to access the signature creation area. This feature allows you to automatically append your chosen signature to every outgoing email, saving you time and ensuring consistency in your communications. Now, here's an important step that's easy to miss. You need to make sure that the option saying attach the signature from a file instead is unchecked. By leaving this box unchecked, you're telling Thunderbird that you want to type your signature directly into the application rather than linking to an external file. This gives you more flexibility and makes editing your signature much simpler down the line. With that checkbox unchecked, you're now ready to create your actual email signature. You'll see a text field provided specifically for this purpose. Click into this field and start typing your signature. You can include your name, job title, company name, phone number, website, or any other information you want recipients to see. Feel free to format it however you like to match your personal or professional brand. Take your time here to get it exactly how you want it, as this will appear on every email you send moving forward. Once you're satisfied with how your signature looks, it's time to test it out. Navigate back to the main Thunderbird interface and click on Write a New Message. This opens up a fresh email composition window. As soon as the window opens, take a look at the bottom of the email body. You should see your newly created signature already there, ready to go. This confirms that your signature has been successfully set up and will now automatically appear on every email you create from this account. And that's it. You've successfully created an email signature in Mozilla Thunderbird that will save you time and add professionalism to all your communications. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.